Catalent has embraced the concept of flexible manufacturing with recent investments to accommodate the growing demands of our customers' programs. One recent investment was in our stick pack manufacturing line. Stick packs are a versatile packaging solution for a range of dosage forms, including powders, granules, beads, and mini tablets. Options for filling high-dose actives, including different API combinations and modified release mechanisms, can be applied to stick packs. Adding the stick pack capability to the Winchester site adds to Catalent's global footprint in meeting this growing demand. The stick pack technology provides a convenient, easy-to-take delivery system to increase patient adherence and improve the patient experience.